So, hello guys. Today we are going to discussing about the osteology. What do you understand by osteology? We are going to discussing about some basic concepts of osteology, some important points and basic terminology and anatomical coding regarding osteology. तो सबसे पहले हम बात करेंगे बोनस ऑफ स्कल के बारे में. उसके बाद हम वो बात करेंगे अपर लिम्ब की बोनस, लोअर लिम्ब की बोनस, एंड देन वी आर गोइंग टू टॉकिंग अबाउट द बोन कंपोजिशन एंड बोन क्लासिफिकेशन. So first of all, we are going to discussing about the introduction of skeletal system. जो आपका skeletal system है वो including जो skeletal system है वो किन चीज़ों से बनता है? आपकी bones से, cartilages से, joints, ligaments and other connective tissue, right? So we are going to discussing now the composition of the bone. जो आपकी composition of the bone है that is कंपोज्ड बाय एक्स्ट्रा सेल्यूलर मैट्रिक्स, यानी जो आपका एक्स्ट्रा सेल्यूलर मैट्रिक्स है उसके ही कंपोजिशन में आपकी बोन बन जाती है. जो आपका एक्स्ट्रा सेल्यूलर मैट्रिक्स है वो डिवाइड होता है आपका इनऑर्गेनिक कंपोनेंट्स देन योर ऑर्गेनिक कंपोनेंट्स, राइट. जो आपका इनऑर्गेनिक कंपोनेंट्स में आता है दैट्स योर हाइड्रोक्स एपोप्टाइड्स, जो जिसमें आपका क्या क्या होता है, आपका कैल्शियम एंड फॉस्फेट डिपॉजिट्स होते हैं. जो आपका कैल्शियम एंड फॉस्फेट डिपॉजिट्स होते हैं, जो आपका बोन का जो मास होता है दैट इज़ अबाउट द 65%. जो आपका 60 कलेक्टिवली जो आपका 65% बोन मास है वो किस चीज़ से बनता है? हाइड्रोक्स एपोप्टाइड. जो आपका हाइड्रोक्स एपोप्टाइड होता है उसमें आपकी कौन से डिपॉजिट्स होते हैं? कैल्शियम एंड फॉस्फेट. एंड द कैल्शियम एंड फॉस्फेट डिपॉजिट्स आर रेस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द बोन हार्डनेस, जिसकी वजह से बोन हार्ड होती है. उसमें पाया जाता है आपका कैल्शियम एंड फॉस्फेट. सो द क्वेश्चन हियर इज व्हाई बोन इज हार्ड? Because there is inorganic components which is composed by bone, that is the hydroxyapatite, calcium and phosphate deposits, right. So now we're going to organic components, that these are the fibers. We call them collagens. They provides an ability of bone to flex slightly without fracturing. So जो आपका कोलेजन होता है, जो कोलेजन प्रोवाइड क्या करता है बोन को? एबिलिटी टू फ्लैक्स स्लाइटली. जो आपकी बोन है दैट फ्लैक्स स्लाइटली विदाउट फ्रैक्चरिंग. दिस एबिलिटी प्रोवाइड बाय द collagen, right. Now we're going to discussing about what are the functions of the bones. These are important, the functions of bone, that is a support, there is a movement, muscles are attached by tendons, they are used as levers to move the body, and they got protection like your organs, brain, spinal cord, thoracic region, and the protection regions are the skull, there is your vertebra, rib cage, and then there is a mineral storage. Mineral storage में आपका calcium, phosphorus होता है, then they release it as ions into blood as needed. Then the blood cell formation and energy store. This is very important. The blood cell formation, that's called as, there are the different, there is a erythropoiesis, thrombopoiesis, leukopoiesis. There is a formation of the different blood cells. Red blood cells is called as erythropoiesis. There is a formation of white blood cells. Axial skeletal system and appendicular skeletal system. जो आपका axial skeletal है, it divides into skull and it divides into the vertebral column. जो आपका skull है that protects the organ, that is brain, and it protects your spinal cord. So collectively आपका जो axial skeletal है, hip bone, which includes the femur, which includes the tibia, patella, fibula, and the ankle. These are the upper limbs and these are the lower limbs, that is the appendicular. There is appendages, that means the appendages are the arms, appendages are the legs. So the word appendicular refers to the appendages, right. Now this is the axial and this is the appendicular, collectively the skull. These are the types of the skeletal system. Now we are going to discussing the axial skeletal system. It forms a long axis as the axial, it forms a long axis. So skull, it forms a long axis. I will show it next slide. And there is a thoracic cage and a vertebral column. It consists of long axis of the body. And the appendicular skull, that I already told you that there is appendages and what they are attached to the arms, shoulder, legs, and the pelvic girdle. Then this, as you know, this is the axial skeletal system. First of all, there is your skull, right? Skull, then there is your sternum, then there is your ribs, then there is your vertebral column. This is called as axial skeletal system. Then skull जो है आपका, it divides into the two parts. One is the calvaria, that is the 8 bones. Second is the face bones. The calvaria is also called as a cranial, frontal, this is a parietal, temporal, and your occipital.